Hey, welcome back to another exciting video. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell button. I'm gonna show something interesting today. So all you have to do is go to your Wi-Fi settings, configure the proxy ffapple.com, and I'm gonna show you something interesting today. So we're gonna download some free apps. You have to go to tutubox.io, press install now. You're gonna see an install pop up on your screen. Once it's done, you have to trust this developer certificate. Go to your settings. You're gonna scroll down to some settings like general, and you will find there the certificates, profiles, and device management. Click on Bank of Beijing. Trust this one. All right, perfect. We're gonna go out, go back into the app again. Once we go back in the app, you'll be able to choose some apps that are tweaked. For example, like Spotify. It's gonna be called Spotify Live on your screen. So press download that, install. It's going to install. Don't change any settings yet. Once it's installed, you're gonna use your usual login. Make sure you have a free account, something that doesn't have a credit card and such, not risking it, playing it safe. Okay, we have some messages on the screen. We're gonna dismiss these messages. Press done. Continue right here. Thanks, Julia Verne, of course. Log in, use your login credentials that you have set for free, and there you go, baby. We have some free music right there, and you can choose any app from here. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you next time.